Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when the Instagram Instant feature is not showing on your app. This feature lets you send a photo that disappears after being viewed once, just like disappearing messages. But sometimes it doesn't show up, and here's how you can fix that. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now open Instagram and tap on the messages icon. Normally, you should see the Instant feature with a plus button here. But if it's not visible, don't worry. Go to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Here, you'll find an option called Hide Instant in Inbox. If this is turned on, it will hide the feature. Simply turn it off. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Notifications. Find the Instant option and make sure both instant notifications and emoji reactions are turned on. Now go back to your messages. You should now see the plus button, which is the Instant feature. Tap on it and you're ready to send disappearing photos. And that's it. That's how you fix the Instagram Instant feature not showing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.